I pulled every company Y Combinator has ever funded, 5,956 startups, going back 2 decades. Watch this line. It's the share of each year's batch that describes itself with one word, agent. 5% in 2021, 44% in 2026. Nearly half of everything the world's most famous startup accelerator now funds is agents. These aren't estimates. I harvested YC's own public startup directory, the same data their website reads, and I counted what the companies say about themselves in their own profiles. 3 things fall out of this data. The AI gold rush is over, because AI won. The new bet is agents, and YC is quietly going physical while walking away from consumer. Start with the line everyone expects, companies that mention AI at all. 22% in 2021, 57% in 2023, 70% by 2024. And then it stops climbing. 73% in 2025, 70% in 2026. Saying you use AI stopped being a bet. It's just the baseline now. The agent line tells a different story. It has climbed every single year. 13% in 2022, 27% in 2024, 44% in 2026 so far. In raw numbers, that's 182 of the 410 companies YC has funded across its 4 2026 batches so far. Here's what they actually look like, straight from the winter 2026 batch. Cardinal, an AI platform for precision outbound. Wideframe, an AI coworker for video editors. Waco, an AI operator for medical legal cases. Notice the words these founders chose. Platform, coworker, operator. These aren't chatbots that help you do a job. They're pitched as software that does the job. There's one more word pattern in the 2026 one-liners. After AI and agents, the most common meaningful word is native. AI native tools, rebuilt from scratch around the model, not features bolted onto old software. Now the part nobody is talking about. 62% of the 2026 batch is B2B. And industrials, led by manufacturing and robotics, defense, and energy, hit 13%, the highest share of any batch year in YC's history. In consumer, 5%, 20 companies out of 410. That's half the share it had in 2021. Whatever the next Instagram is, YC isn't betting on it. If you build software, this is the signal in the data. The application layer is being refounded as agents. It's sold to businesses, not consumers. And it's increasingly pointed at the physical world. Everything in this video comes from YC's public directory. I pulled it with a data harvester I built myself, and every number traces back to that dataset. If you want more analysis like this, subscribe.